Hello guys, it's Dale here, and in this video I'll be talking about stock, about Chevron stock. And the reason is that Warren Buffett was massively adding this stock to his portfolio, and the price of this stock has been on a rise, on a pretty steep rise recently. I mean, this strong trend, right? And in this video what I'll do is I'll do a quick analysis of this stock to give you some picture about it, alright? So the first thing to notice about Chevron Corporation, by the way, this is the ticker. It is a company that deals in oil. And I'm pretty sure that you know that oil has been getting quite pricey. For that reason, the price of stocks of this company have been on the rise as well. Now this company is paying 3.57% dividend, which is a very nice dividend. It is a little bit below the average of the industry, but compared to other industries, this is very good. It also has very good PE ratio. It's just a touch below 15, which given the current situation around the markets, I consider a very good PE ratio. Now, the company also has pretty low debt, only around 25%, which means that the company is quite a healthy company. It is not in a huge debt. So that's very roughly about the fundamentals of the stock. But let's now have a look at the chart. What you're looking at is the weekly chart of this company, of this stock. And the thing that I wanted to talk about is this strong uptrend. Maybe I better show you on a daily chart. Maybe that will be better. Yeah, it is. Reason is that with the daily chart, the TPO profile which I'm using to analyze stocks is a bit more detailed, so it points better to the places which I wanted to show you. So, anyways, strong uptrend, right? And within this uptrend, two significant volume clusters, right? And these volume clusters represent places where strong institutional buyers were massively buying this stock, right? So those are now very strong supports. The first one being at 137 bucks per share. The other one is at 118 bucks per share, right? Support number one, support number two. Now currently I think it would be pretty crazy buying Chevron stocks in here, because right now it's pretty expensive. But if we get the chance to buy cheaper for 137 or even for 118, that would be great. And this could make a nice investment, right? So if the price drops to 137, then the price should react there. And if it doesn't, then buy some more at 118 and hope for the best, right? Especially the 118 would be a very nice discount to buy this stock. But given the rising oil prices, maybe the price of this stock won't make such a big pullback, so that's why there's also this one, the higher one. Let me switch back to the weekly chart. This one. This was the trend we were talking about, right? And those were the volume clusters. And if you look at the first one, the first volume cluster at 137, this is it. You can see that the price was bouncing off this zone in the past, which means that it worked as a resistance. And now this volume cluster formed here. Alright, so resistance turned into a support when the price went past that resistance, and also at this place, this volume cluster got formed here. So that adds strength to that support, because we have this price action set up as well as the volume profile set up, right? Now regarding the second support at 118, based on this volume cluster, this is also a very strong level if you use volume profile over this whole area as I did, as it will show you that the heaviest volumes were traded in here, right? And that's a thing that adds strength to the second support. Because not only we have that volume cluster here, but also we can see huge institutional activity around this level in the past, right? Basically in the last 10 years, right? Because this area which I selected starts in 2011. So yeah, that also adds strength to that support. So now we have two supports, the first one in here, the second one in here, right? When there's a pullback, there should be reactions to both. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with a volume profile, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com. And what I recommend is going here, trading course and tools. So you click that, scroll down a bit, and I highly recommend getting the Elite pack. It is a training and indicator pack that will teach you how to trade with volume profile. There is a video which you can watch, and the video will show you everything that you will get with the Elite pack. This pack is currently discounted, so you can get it for a very nice price now. Alright, so that's to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked it, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. So until then, happy trading!